Naghahanap ka ba ng food supplement to improve digestion, enhance immune function, and support overall gut health? Good news dahil meron ng Clean & Fit. Meron na itong 7 sachets inside the box. Ang Clean & Fit ay probiotic drink na may oligosaccharides at plant fibers, which is the food for the good bacteria in our gut. Compared sa mga dati kong nainom, hindi ito mapakla. Lasang juice pa nga ito dahil ito ay may mga ingredients na oligosaccharides, fruits and plant fibers, green apple, Garcinia cambogia, cucumber, spirulina, pear, lemon powder, parsley, pineapple, and celery. Ang sarap, parang juice. Ito ay imported from Malaysia, no added sugar, at recommended pa ni Tito Boy Abunda. Mula nang uminom ako ng Clean & Fit, hindi na ako nakakaramdam na bloated after kumain at nabawasan ang sugar cravings ko. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng trusted and natural way to support your digestive health, Clean & Fit na ang sagot dyan. Grab yours now and experience the benefits today.